Hey, it's me again. This is um a video about what I've learned on the Rust programming language. Um let's see. So this is the program that I made. It goes over the basics of Rust. Let me run it for you. And the nice thing about VS Code is that it just runs down here in the terminal. As you can see, I have hello world, and then I have different variable examples, different expression examples, condition example, a loop example, and then a reference. There's functions where you can pass variables by reference and then borrow variables as well. And I have examples of those. Let's dive into the code. Here is my variables function. As you can see, I have x equals 1, and then the y is equal to 3. The mut is for it's mutatable. You can change it, but you have to declare that it can be changed first, which is something that's unique from this language and other languages. Another unique thing is the semicolons here. When you don't have it, it just returns that function. It acts as a return. So if I wanted to return this print line, from my understanding, I can just get rid of that semicolon and it would return that. And then I could return it to whatever called it. So here's my expressions. I have the string character and ints, and then the different math expressions that Rust has. They're almost pretty much the exact same as Python, so makes it easy. Conditionals, we have the greater than, less than, equal to, or if else, else if. We're passing in a variable here. This is like the byte size or something. It's an int with a 32 byte, so you can make it bigger if you have a bigger number, from my understanding. So I pass in this variable. The variable's 5, I believe. 5, and checks it if it's greater, less than, or equal to. Prints out whatever it is. Here's the loop. Start with 0. It has to be changed since we're going to be adding to it, since it's we're iterating through that. So while it's less than or equal to 10, so we're going to go all the way up to 10, including 10. We're just going to say if it's greater, less than, or equal to 5. Here's my reference and borrow functions. We'll get to those in a sec. Here's my main. We got just a little bit of format that I did to make it easier to read. Let's see. Yeah, so we have this string that we declare as S1. It's my first name. And then we are passing it by reference with this @ sign. So it goes up here, calls a function, and since it doesn't have that semicolon, it's just going to return the length. And that's what the length is going to be here. And then we're just going to output the length. As you can see here, the length of my name is 6. And then the borrowing function, you have to create a variable from the variable of the string, so you're not changing that variable directly. And then I couldn't figure out how to return the borrow functions. I don't even know if that's possible or not. So I just had to add the print stuff function in the statement, but I'm just adding on my last name to it. But yeah, that's everything. It was a cool language. Thanks for watching.